Good morning from Cod Raven here this morning. Just finished cleaning the grass here, cutting all this grass. Just had a call or a message from old guy on the bike, Jim. So yeah, glad he's in the area. So we offered him a spot to camp. We have water, power, and we have really good Wi-Fi here. So he's on his way from a park that's probably. He's probably 2 hours away, so he's going to come and camp out for a few nights, hopefully, as long as he wants, for that matter. And yeah, so I'm all ready here, getting ready to back in. I'm backed in. I'm ready to load up some steel over underneath that tree. So we're going to do that. He said just cut the grass. Jim can set up his mini mate there. The bus, there's a new bus in town. Anyways, the bus is getting there. I finished a gallon of paint yesterday, so I still got some more to do, obviously. And let's see what Holly's doing this morning. So, Holly, I just had a call from Jim.
Oh.
He's coming to set up, so I just cut the grass, made a spot for him.
Oh.
Old guy on the bike, you remember him, right?
Yeah, I remember him. You just got a call from him.
Yeah, or a messenger. Yeah, okay. He's in the area, so we offered him a place to stay.
Okay.
With his mini mate, so I'll get the grass cleared out. So yeah, what are you up to this morning?
Well, he'll have the basics anyway.
Yeah.
We have a bunch of these holes in the wall from previous owners, and I'm just putting a little bit of Alex Plus in them, just to take the edge off the dark hole, and also prepare it for a little bit of painting.
You're gonna do some painting, are you?
Yeah. Nothing major. It's not a major overhaul. It's just this particular area has had some repairs done, and anyway, this is just to take the eyesore off the holes. Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
All right. So we must do a little tour of over here. So we got TV up there, which we haven't turned on yet, so we don't even know if it works, but controls there, levels for the tanks, hot water tank, all that works good. Stove, of course, pretty standard. Fridge all works good. She's got the cover off the cushions, gonna clean them. That's a bunk beds there we're using for storage right now. It's got the Coleman furnace, which works well. And we got the bathroom here, and the shower is awesome. Hot water and everything works really good there. And yeah, so this is our table set up, and that's working well. Like I said, they kind of stripped some stuff out of here, redid the floor. Not the best job done, but it's all new and it don't smell like mold, so that's good. And love seat there. Yeah, so it's all good. This is what we picked up for really good price. Really good. So anyways, we're quite happy with it.
Well, it's a roof over our head.
It's a roof over our head while we're here at the homestead.
And it's safe.
And it's safe, yes. So
warm.
okay.
Okay. Very good.
And I'm going to load up some more steel. So a little bit at a time, we're getting things done. A guy came yesterday looking at that truck. He wants it. I said he can have it. Take it. Saves me the trouble getting rid of it. So then we got 3 cars left after that, and hopefully I'm going to get the rest of the steel. There's a fridge over there and some steel over here. Get that done this morning. And yeah, and then we're going to start. We got the porch tore off there, as you saw, and yeah, we got some stuff to tear off of this building too, and we'll do that at a later time. I don't know. We're going to be just made a deal on some work for later this next month, so we'll stay here as long as we can, go home and get ready, and that's what's going on. Yeah, that's what's happening here on the 1 acre homestead. Anyways, stay tuned. Well, we got another load. I thought I only had 2 loads. This is the second one, but I guess I got another one after this. So of steel, just junk steel. I gotta strap that down. Yeah, of course. So beautiful evening here at the homestead, and we had contact today from we had contact today from old guy on the bike, and guess what, he's here. So he's here now, all set up, and yeah, just enjoying this boondocking camp spot for him. It's great. He'll be here for a couple of days, I guess, get all charged up and dried out. He said everything must have had some wet days, I guess, prior to, so glad he could join us here, and we just had a great chat. So yeah, so this is what our evening looks like so far. We're just getting supper on the go. Got the fire pit going there. We had an old dryer. We had an old dryer on site here, so I just tore it apart, and that drum was steel, not plastic. So I took him out, and makes a great fire pit. So, anyways, did I mention there's a new bus in town? Anyways, over there, look at this. Here it is, old guy on the bike, but he's not with his bike, so you have to watch his channel to really figure that out, what happened. But yeah, so he's all set up, and we're glad that he could join us. So here he is, and the old guy on the bike. He made it. Glad you could join us, Jim. We're so happy to have you, and yeah, I guess you have to watch your channel to figure out why old guy on the bike is in a car.
Old guy in a car.
Yeah,
yep.
Old guy in a car. Yeah.
Yep.
But, hasn't retired the bike totally, but just a little downturn in the events.
We're just going to be a little while before we're back on two wheels.
Yeah, that's right.
It won't be long.
Cool, right on.
Long.
So yeah, so it's a beautiful evening here.
Absolutely gorgeous evening.
Yeah, so the dark clouds are gone, so I think we're safe for the rest of the night.
I hope so. I think so.
Cool.
No, it's looking good.
Yep, right on.
Oh.
What are you doing here, Holly?
In my dress.
You got your dress and gloves on. What are you doing?
I have my dress and gloves on. Oh, I'm gonna help to offload this tin and mess from our place.
So, why are we here with this?
Well, because it's being recycled.
Yeah?
Turned into new things. Yeah.
Look at the loads we brought already. We brought 2, I think this is our 3rd load. No, there's some of this was here, of course. All this was here before, but so yeah, so we got some good friends that he just collects junk and scrap steel, and then when he gets a pile of it, he'll call the truck in, and they'll just pick it up and take it, and he'll get the money for it. So that's great. So anyways, this saves us a lot of hassle, because we're only traveling, what, 30 kilometers with this?
Yeah.
Versus 130 kilometers probably. So we just want to get out of our yard. So anyway, that's what we're doing. This stuff here now is is aluminum off an old camper they tore off. They tore us off a camper and then burned it or something down our motorhome, I should say. So anyways, so yeah, so we're just getting ready to go out fishing, cod jigging.
Shopping.
And Holly's going shopping actually, but the boys are going out fishing to get some codfish to put on our table. So we brought a load of steel to offload at the same time. So yeah. Just throw it over here.
Where do you want these doors? Hi, John.
Want to grab that?
Where are we putting it?
How's the boy just going? He's not going to hit the boat. Car. There's a man of steel himself.
You.
Yeah.
He can't come?
No, he's at. There's the man of steel.
Listen.
There's the man of steel himself. New project, a little different, little change of thing. We bought this camper, right? We got this camper here, but and we redid the floor. And coming in, Holly, they redid the floor, but the floor they didn't do a good job on the floor, I'll say. So yeah, so the floor is a bit tight. Yeah, so the floor is laid this way and it's tight up here, and because of that now it's been moving. See the gap there? It's sliding because the floor is tight. So I'm going to take up this molding here, and they got screws put in it down here. You don't screw down a floating floor. Anyways, I might have to take it up all the way back to here and then shove that up nice and tight there, and we'll see how that goes. Anyways, so let's get out of here. This is kind of bugging me. We gotta take up this. So yeah, we got that loosened up and slid back in, so that's pretty good. I had to do a little bit of nibbling over there. There was a little bit of water leaking from the fridge that started to mold, so we caught that just in time. So now I'm just finishing up finish up the last little bit here, putting it back together, and then of course I need to put the molding on. So yeah, it's a work in progress, and we'll probably end up redoing this in a couple of years. Everything works out. Yeah, we'll probably take it up, check the floor. They didn't do the washroom when they replaced it, so we can do that. And like the structure of the floor, I think it's been redone, so it'd be easy just to put a new top on it. So, but for now, we're I think this is all good. Quick fix, and it's working. So,
Whoops.
okay. Touch up a couple of pieces here. Okay, let's try that. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, so now I gotta trim. It's a good quarter, well, a good 1/8 of an inch here that was pushing, so now I gotta trim all that off. Okay, should be the final trim. Alright, pen, pencil.
I don't know what you do with it.
No, there's a marker.
Just use the screw, the end of a screw. Scratch it. That's what I do when I don't have a pen.
Okay. Yeah, they never had that this strip cut right, so I'm gonna cut a little notch so it fits over both. Yeah, so now I got it notched so it'll fit over both and not have to worry about screws on either one. So, let's see what they have done there. So do that. So they had these screws in, and there's a 2x4 there, and they had it butted up against, so that's better. Now this only got 2 of these screws. I should have they had these in the floor. They stick up. They're not very good for that either. So let's go with this. Where's the other one? Right here. Okay. So now it's not. Yeah, now it's not rising up and down like it was before. So just get a little bit of trim to replace, and we're good to go. Okay, another job done. That was kind of thorn on my side, that was. So, we're, yeah. Oh, what a beautiful day. Anyways, we're gonna do go hard at some work here in the morning. Got lots of work to do over here yet, and then take it easy. It's holiday weekend. We got some friends come for supper, so we'll go hard for a few hours and then shut her down. So anyways, stay tuned for more projects and who knows what here on Cod Riven.